Have you ever tasted ice apple? It comes from the palmera palm trees. If you've had ice apple, then you know how super sweet they are. This recipe tastes just as good as ice apples. This is a picture of ice apple. In Tamil, we call it Nungu. It's a refreshing treat during India's hot summers. It tastes so good. Today, I'm going to use agar and tender coconut and make a delicious pudding which tastes just like Nungu. Let's get started. Make a small hole at the top of the tender coconut and drain the water and cut into halves. Remove the flesh and cut them into small pieces. I bought this organic agar powder on Amazon. All you need is 1 cup of tender coconut water, 1.5 teaspoons of agar powder, tender coconut flesh, sugar and water. In a saucepan, add 1 cup of water. When it starts bubbling, add agar and stir for 5 minutes on low heat. Boil till there's no small specks. See, just like this. Add sugar. I'm using organic unbleached cane sugar. You may increase or decrease it depending on your taste. Remember that tender coconut is already sweet. I'm going to add tender coconut water later because it'll lose its natural taste when you boil it. See, there is no more specks on the spoon. Turn the stove off. Just rinse a plate, a pan or a cup, whatever you're going to use to mold the pudding so that the agar won't stick. Add the tender coconut water with the agar mixture and immediately pour it in the dish, otherwise it will become solid. Add the tender coconut too. You can add the coconut flesh at the bottom if you want. Once it's settled down, loosen the edges and put it on a plate. Leave that in a refrigerator and enjoy this yummy treat. For more easy and tasty recipes, please subscribe to my channel. See you again soon. Bye-bye.